coordination based in Kisumu, in charge of Nyanza region, with the organization called NACADA, which is a government organization, and it is a parastatal whose main aim is to fight against alcohol and drug abuse. Today is 26th of June, 2024, and every year, June 26th, we mark the International Day against drug trafficking and illicit drug abuse and illicit trafficking. So today we are marking it in Kisii, and I should say that this is the first time we are marking it in Kisii, courtesy of the technical working group, which has just taken off, and we are glad that the technical working group, which is called the Community Work Group for Kisii County, met last week, and they have managed to celebrate this day. We are commemorating in several places in the country, and as we commemorate, we remember that there are several people who have been affected with alcohol and drug abuse. The theme for this day today is "The evidence is clear. Invest in prevention." We are investing in prevention in that if we do not prevent the use of drugs, the bad use of drugs, then we stand a danger of wiping out the society. And with us are young people who are vibrant, and they will take the messages that we preach today or we share today to their counterparts and be involved in the fight against alcohol and drug abuse. We appreciate that even the press is here with us today, and they will carry the messages that we see or we pass today to the congregation. We are happy that we are starting this today. We are going to walk the region as a whole. We are number 5 nationally in the use of alcohol and drug abuse. That is according to the research done by NACADA in 2022. We carry out researches every 5 years, and the last one put us at number 5. Number 5 meaning that we improved from being number 3 nationally to being number 5. However, we have also increased in population. That is not to say that we have improved in the consumption. The consumption would have been increased, but I should commend the provincial administration in the sense that their fight against alcohol and drug abuse is notable. And if all of us come together and fight the drug, especially the brewing that is done in our homes, we kick it out from our homes and let it be a regulated trade, and that it is being taken in bars and not every other place, then we'll have at least come a long way to fighting alcohol. The use of bank is increasing, especially among the college and student population, and that is not something that we are proud of. We have the national average is 1.9, but among the youth, it is double that, almost double that, and that is at 3%. We don't look at it very. It is not encouraging. It is not encouraging as such. Well, you and me need to talk about it, and we need to know that there are dangers of using.
Today being an International Day Against Drug and Substance and Illicit Trafficking, my name is Violet Moke, an employee of Kisii County Government, Department of Social Services. This is one of the activities that as a department we are mandated to celebrate. And as we have heard from our Regional Director Nakada, Kisii County, we are number 5. This is not very pleasing. And as we are having this work today, I want to encourage each and every one of us to see that we have a role to the prevention. The theme for this year is evidence is clear, invest in prevention. So in prevention, one way of investing in prevention is creating awareness. Today we are going to march through the streets of Kisii County, the CBD, to create awareness on the dangers and the uses of drug abuse. And as a Department of Social Services, Kisii County Government, I want to say that we are committed and devoted, and we will work with all stakeholders in matters to do with drug and substance abuse.
Gender, of course, it's the male, but the female population is not left behind. We are really catching up, and we are racing to catch up with you in a wrong thing. So I think I urge every one of us to think twice before taking